Yo, boy, right quick.
So football, more want play there. Me there wait for everybody.
Here's some of the sea boy Jackson done I if I call him right quick, what's up?
No more Friday, so I gotta call him. Much about him. Jackson! Jackson!
Hey man, we are there with.
You know, see, I'm not telling me see over here some football we have to play, so come on.
You know, so I go ask my grandma first wait for me, so I come.
Yes. Where you come from?
Oh, in town.
So you just go in night town and you tell me say you're going night town?
This weird meeting tell us to me I go in town. When I tell us to me I go in town, you sure?
No? So you go night town go do?
Me just go to buy something, but me woke up in a one girl, me know some of the guy now.
So when are you back?
I don't know people things, they must say I go beach and so, I don't know why.
Alright, I'm sorry about that again because of the difference.
Jesus.
I'm sorry about that again. No, I'm sorry.
A girlfriend book up now. Girlfriend.
So when are you back?
People things.
But
No, you can't tell people things.
The girlfriend.
Oh yeah.
One of your girlfriend asks you for whatever.
Then I'm
Whatever. Come again, I'll ask her again, ready.
So when are you back?
my girlfriend something.
Just mine and you're not supposed to see.
Me not care nobody know when I feel the company.
My God, so what that again, I'll tell.
I'm feeling it.
Ready now. Ready now. Don't another song. Go back to your mind, whatever. Ready.
Oh. Mine are things on if you come in here.
No, son, I won't care nothing for nobody coming in like that.
Yeah, good. Alright, so we say about that. And then after you say you wouldn't care nothing for nobody, she needs to find one way to get him out of the house. So I'm going to tell him, say.
Get up and go sit down on the bed.
See if you get up and something from the bed. And tell him so.
No, just move this and move around the room. So
I think I'll get him out. You want to get him out of the
I'll
house?
get him out, man.
Alright. You say that again. Here, sir. I'm not moving cannot really belong to nobody in the house. Alright, so let's say last part here, Alton. Ready? You know, you said to her, like that thing, man.
Alright, just make sure.
Go on, Jiffy story, man. Make a story, but not like when stories are confirm and so nice and neat. Mama, come right here, so. Contact me right here, so. You can't come right here, say, no. We know that you don't move yet, you know. Come right, so cut it off. Like you just come, get it put in the bag.
Me done here,
Well, the house hot. You know what I mean? I come
Alright, ready, come before me get the motor and hot and start.
Alright, make you just say the last part then.
And then get up.
We know you said to her, Alton.
Just make
Man,
sure.
I mean, I can't house nothing. There's anything we feel now, anything we carry now, have work and turn in here.
Right.
That way,
Put back up a little bit. Alright, so that's Alton, ready?
Just mind, you can't nothing now when I'm supposed to come in here, you know.
Nobody care nothing like that. Nobody like that coming here. Oh, God.
Don't move, stay right there, so. Get up back and then walk over to this, so. Wait, sit first.
Come give my massage here. Yeah.
Alright, ready. Don't move. That's something that we have played, turn it down.
Tell him more.
What is that plate? Turn it down.
More, I say, yo. She go tell him set you on, so.
Make sure go.
No, man, it's not
Yeah.
so. So you go, you sit down the same way and come around, so. And I think you want to give her a massage.
Alright, so Alton.
So why you massage you know,
Pretend like you watch her.
we could have make some bam and contact you. You know, we think say that night.
So, you want to put your head on me now?
No, I talk to her till I wait.
Where does you want to go? No, that come in. Where that come in?
But that's tough going, you understand? I'm not come here so I can come here, so. Just come on here, so. And contact him for you, so like. Make it just seem like.
Alright, just go back right
Challenge.
there. Alton, start walk first and Alton watch you all the way around.
But what everything you do, you want to chat to him about everything you do. You want him turn out, so you make him turn out to give him a massage,
Wait,
alright?
Alton, wait. Curve back your head. Start, just come back first. Ready now, action. Action. girl laugh all the time. Oh, girl laugh. Tell me, oh, girl laugh. Oh, girl laugh.
No.
Go again.
You happy?
Yeah,
No,
come again. Girl, how cheap a child grow, then I laugh. Come on, come on.
Alton, stop.
Come on, let's do laughing for come back.
Don't make me finish
Alright,
again.
alright.
Come back again.
God.
Ready now?
Slap it, yeah.
Ready now? Action.
No slapping, nowhere like that.
Ready.
So, pop, way more to fright, yeah.
That's true, that's true.
Come now, ready now.
I can't write this, so you don't wipe off.
You no wipe off yourself, no, you said,
Go back right.
come give a massage.
Go right, sir. Go back right, sir. So turn the face now. You wipe off yourself again and then tell him to come and give him a massage. You need to ready. Hold on. Hold on. And action.
Chuck, come give a massage.
Yeah, what that for? What that for?
Kind of pay me no mind.
What that for when I go? You want the girl to that top for no reason.
You not pay me no mind. You didn't start looking at your phone.
Jam.
Brogan, Brogan,
Richard Brown and
stress
Jamie
me
Oliver,
out.
man.
Stop stress me out.
Protect.
You make me feel
You
go back
need
home
insurance
and
with the
come back
actor.
home.
You always get a broke shoulder now.
Come get into the show now, man.
Alright,
Alton, man, Alton, come.
let me change the angle. Just walk over.
I'm in character, you know.
Just walk over to him and give him
But
a
you come
massage.
make it for mute for one
Alright, come on, let me just start. That's the end supposed to take so long.
Yeah.
And you still a character, we have to see him for.
Kind
No, listen, him not pay no mind, just turn him back. Just hold him and twist him round.
Me go do it hard so me have to go still make him cry.
No matter, just stay in a character, don't come out. Alright, just say the same thing again. Go back out and say the same thing. You know one shot, ready? Action, ready?
I'm just come make you a mustache.
Nobody do it hot, you know. Blood.
No,
You
no,
put more
no.
on you. Oh, you want me to
Oh, nah, listen up.
for you come back and
Want to turn round, so it's
Turn, yeah,
straight,
maybe
so.
Turn round so.
Come on,
No, you just turn him.
Turn it up. I'm going to put a foot up on it, man.
So only if you turn this big house, you see him big?
So turn on, yeah, turn on.
Because
Can't see if you hold it. Alton, spin up no Alton.
Wait.
no, don't move. While she get till she come, then I can you turn yourself.
Move the
while
phone,
she's
Van,
ready.
so.
So while she come, you just
You
turn while
can't
she
move them
turn.
while she tell them move. Just move them and say,
Right.
turn.
Alright, come. You just turn and listen.
And take that over shoulder, take that over
I
shoulder.
said a word.
Live up.
Come on, live up with you, man. Ready?
Live up now.
Come on, you say massage, boy.
Don't want it
Massage.
dead. Ready?
That me say me no like say the word, bro.
Ready now.
You can't say.
Action.
Ready?
Alright. Chuck, come and give a massage.
Take time with my shoulder, you know. Take time, man. Take time. Right, that's all. Come now, man. We all. Take so long. Go down more. Yeah.
You never hear what you sound like right now?
We can't. Come now. Take time. Alright, yeah.
You can go buy some meat for cook.
Hold on. Stay right this way. Everybody had. Put it over.
Wait man, now why pause?
How many things you don't say you like that? We have to come back and tell him again yours.
You don't come back and tell me. No, because wow.
The first time.
You never tell me nothing the first time. I second time you tell me.
Then I
Always
will
find that whoever takes your life.
Come back and tell
No,
me.
you never tell me nothing the first time.
We don't
You
take
just
a
tell me
show.
Yeah, you never tell me nothing. So me want come here must
Here we work.
Suck me up.
We are go.
We can't turn this on a little bit.
No, you can't turn on. Send him out. Send him out. He go get up now.
What's
Come
on
on,
me heart?
go buy the meat and
Send him out now.
come
He
up
go
with
get
Come
up.
back, massage him again.
When
This is
you have
last
money
part.
to buy your meat.
No man, you have your money man, my man.
You
Massage
go
him.
buy your meat.
Let's buy some meat you want to cook.
Come, go back to massage man and tell him again.
Sit back here already sit.
Oh, me heard this a while ago.
You did the fan side there.
You back and me ready for
Go
you?
find camera.
Ready, Anthony? Come ready.
Give me something. Let me see it.
Hey, yeah, make me massage this boy if you not need, you know. And Alton not pay me.
Oh man, one of the different side.
Ready?
Yeah man, two the pound side, two the pound side. No matter, ready now me too. Ready now curious.
Take time, man. Come, right this one, right this one. Yeah.
You can go buy some meat to cook. You can go buy some meat to cook.
What kind of meat?
Chicken back anyone.
You don't want a chicken back, you know. Me go buy it still. I'm tired for them chicken back.
I love chicken back.
It's too dear for you.
Yeah, just say that, yeah. Attention, where you say whatever?
How much
You
more
love
for
chicken back and then you might tell
How
us
much more
your
for
chicken
chicken
back. Dear, you know. You don't know.
195.
Come back, almost
How much
chicken
tin
price.
mackerel?
How much tin mackerel? Tin mackerel cheaper? Tin mackerel cheaper?
105 for tin mackerel and 110.
Tin mackerel.
Yeah.
120 or 130.
But chicken mackerel cheaper.
Alright,
Tin
come
mackerel
now,
cheaper,
come now.
back.
Ready now,
Alright,
run.
say the same thing. Say you love chicken back and then Alton say chicken back. Dear, no, ready now, action.
I love chicken back.
Chicken back too dear, man.
Just go buy.
$250 pound to just bone in a shop. Yeah. Can't manage it.
Then buy mackerel then.
No, sir. Sufferation food. That.
Then go buy the chicken back and stop complaining. You go and like you can buy chicken.
Just no matter drink of rum, like I love rum.
Seriously, you would have come back and come see me turn over.
You know what you do when me come and say turn over.
Where things in lock the door. Just the candy.
Yeah, Mr. Army get the bag.
What should give?
One phone and the bag, yeah.
Give me them. Do the phone.
What she say you must call her.
Alright, take back it and do the same thing. Give me back. Just
the
access
phone?
it. No, more access it. Lock the door. Open back the door and lock it back. You can access it. One give you area. Alright, ready now on action.
Yeah, just the candy.
Yeah, Mr. Army.
Let her do it. One give.
One phone and one and the bag, yeah.
Give me them. So she left her number and
Yeah, she say you must call her. Because she need to talk to you.
She okay right now?
yeah, man.
Hold on. Pretend like you're there.
You want there something you want to finish there?
No. The phone is too popular in night though.
Who phone?
You have a phone in night already?
Police will have it.
Police use the same phone.
Oh, check out the case.
Sorry.
No, take it that case. Take it that case.
Oh yeah, I want phone like few members I can. Oh, but yeah, the back over the part there you say.
Check it that case.
But this I can't use. I said phone. No, people not see phone cheap.
Alright.
People not see phone like that.
Just hold up your phone. Just hold the phone big side. Just hold it more. Put your hand more. Cover up here.
No time.
Alright, ready now.
Yo, Candy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, everything changed from the plan. So, what more you do? Get me a drive. Just get me a drive, right? But then, we're there now. We're there Namprel. You know what I mean? Yeah, we're there Namprel now, so. They're on the back road. Yeah, man, near to Shaka. Yeah, man. Very near to Shaka. Yeah, man, I read outside front side. Yeah, man. That's a back road, man. No, come up on the, but I come up on the next side of the road, though. I not come up on the front road there. There's a back road, I go through one yard, and people pop on the back road. Yeah, so I come up on the garage, I go into the next part, the next road, you know? So I come up on the back road. So I can't come people around there. Yeah. Today, yeah, just organize everybody. Call one driver. One getaway driver. We go pick up when I'm bridging and I escape. The next week we have plan with workout. You know what I mean? Because I'm going to sell you out or something go down. But him not make it, so I told we alone upon the run. I share the plan, but you know you go. So every plan I do first, that dash way. Yeah, I guess the girl tell you that already. Alright then, so yo, do it right now, you know. Because I can't tell you, so someone left out of them flipper place right now, and somebody come right now, so I don't have no time. I'm out tonight open. At least I get some change of clothes still, so that will good still. Alright. Yeah man, do it right now. And yeah, wait there. Alright. Make a link to one of my people them and make them wire some money. Just go to the channel part. Babylon can track it. Try make one of them link there. Make you set the girl up as I get $1 million. You know what I mean? Yeah, the one who come pick up the bag, but she get $1 million. Alright? Alright, cut me a cut. Alright, so yeah, just do it right now. Right now, I'm up on the back road and now I'm not stranded out there. Alright. Alright, them go sort you out. Here?
Alright.
You need to get a better man though. Look one here. If I'm not killing something my food up on. You don't know how you're fat, so.
Alright, walk here. No, sit like here, sit for me. This is your turn. Just like it's a shot of you sitting down. Alright, so curious, you can go and talk about that.
Get it by the condom.
No, just go and fuck yours attack. Yours attack, I just some good inserts.
Yeah man, so this that. And X, Y, Z. Yeah, so the girl, what they are, let's get $1 million. Yeah man. That's carry $1 million come give her because she will do the work and things. You know what I mean? So yeah mama, cut me and cut you know.
Alright. So we are going.
They won't pick me up. What may I say now? You buy a condom? Because that $1 million they see already now. $500,000 could have depend because long time in the front. What you say?
No man, I never buy condom. I never buy it. I never remember. I told me they busy with
You do your test regular?
Of course. But no man, go on man. We don't have to do none of them something.
You don't want $500,000?
No man, you can keep it half. Me get one already.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm going dead poor.
Mr. Brown, I'm going to time I can get a chance in the show, so just tell me, just give me one summary of the scene where you just shot a while ago.
The movie is a comedy, jailbreak, so just add all type of scenario in it. So this is just one part of the scenario. Come back for you, make it check.
And this the scenario is the jailer, they are in the man house and...
I find one money, so one bag of mix up. You have to watch if you see what I got. So, sit down back. Come on.
Oh my god, them down again.
So yeah, that has been some behind the scenes for you guys with Richard Brown Films. So as you can see, shooting non-stop. So the man them just find something what them like though and it pay them, so it's like non-stop working. So yeah, that was the behind the scenes for you. So all the persons who are asking about lengthening the short films that are on this channel and all of that can really be something difficult, so like I not even can put one time on it or tell you when me I get it completed. And let me just take this opportunity to thank you guys for supporting the whole movement on behalf of Richard Brown Films, because if I'm telling about them just get one of the cameras, Z5 I believe, so yeah, one step at a time. Yeah, one step at a time. So, yeah guys, BTS, that has been it. Thank you for tuning. First time over here. Definitely subscribe, people. Remember to leave a like on the video. And I shall see you very soon. Remember to check out previous content as well. Little more.